dapat 27 may asawa ka na. Di ba ganun namang sinasabi ng mga lolo't lola natin dati, tita-tita. Lahat yun, pinilit ko. Pinilit kong makasal ng age 27 kasi nagpadala ko dun sa pressure ng mundo na dapat 27 may asawa ka na, dapat 27 may anak ka na, dapat ganitong edad, meron ka ng bahay at lupa. So, pinilit ko yun. So, feeling ko, it was not God's plan for me.
Ayun.
So, that's the reason why ang dami kong naging struggle, ang dami kong naging challenges. Yun yung naging struggle ko for many, many years. And that's the reason why ang dami kong failed relationships in between, in that, sabihin na natin, close to 15 years. And then I realized na in your journey, in having that relationship with the Lord, you really have to give Him that 100%. Diba? When you seek me, diba, you will find me. Pero you have to give your 100%.
Yes.
So, yun yung inaral ko at pinag-pray ko lagi, Lord, sige po, sana po talaga yung heart ko maging ganon, na I will completely trust you.